This is very fun, and you can use it to sing as well. Gypsy woman told my mama before I was born, she says you got a pork chop coming, gonna be a son of a gun. Let's learn that. Let's start easy. Chords. E major, A major. Now I don't grab with all three fingers because it's not fast enough when we want to change from the E to the A. And I use sorry for the middle finger, the last joint, and you can see all three strings here on my finger. Say hello to Pixie. And I bent that to bar, if you would like, the fourth, third, and second string, and you can hear that E open. And I also have it slightly diagonal so I don't press any other strings. And then you want to lift up, play them open, and E again. So part one would be E, A, open. Still doesn't sound like a groove, yeah? Okay, your next part you want to do is put the side of your palm to the back of the bridge, slightly touching, and then you'll have muted basses. Notice here I use my thumb and my index in this, so my index is like I'm holding a pick, and I'm doing on the E with muted double string hits. Get that groove going. Now we play 3 times, double, 2 and 3. Now one time, and we're gonna switch to the A. Very crucial now, lift up your hand so it's not muted, so you don't get this. Now lift up that A to open strings, and then run back to that E major and run back to that muted. So we have 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 1, 1, and all together a little bit faster. Now that second part is quite fun, yeah? So I'll show that one too. When we pluck on the E, we let go of everything, yeah, everything. And I picked this up from Tony Emanuel, where he picked it up for someone else. With your ring finger, you press on the top first string, the bass, and you bend it as much as you can while you're playing that. So we have something like this. Then we change to the A, and again that open down. There I just simply move my middle finger to press down on the first string as well, on the second fret, and then I put my ring finger right on the third fret of the first string. And then to return back to the E, we're gonna play the E again. That bend, the A, open. To finish it off, open without muted, and give some nice little wah effect. So the last part would go.